Hi students, let's talk about relational operators here. So in this relational operators, so we will going to find the relation over here. That is what exactly we will want to see between the operators. So here you can able to see. So let's take a variable x and y are the two variables here. So operators are the same: less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, again not equal to. These are all comes under operators. That is relational operators. Again expressions you can able to see variable x, again variable y. So x is less than y. So what happens, it will going to x will going to take the value. Okay, again it will going to compare. Relation is nothing but comparison. Okay, x will going to compare with the y. So x is, suppose x value, if you take x value is 5, 5 is less than 10, it is true. True is nothing but what we're going to get the answer, that is in binary format, that is 1. So like that it will going to compare, again it will going to give you the answer. This is an expression, you will going to find a value. So x is less than y. Again here x is less than or equal to y. Again s is greater than y. Again x is greater than or equal to y. X is equal to y. X not equal to y. If x value, whatever the value 5, if b is not equal to y, so if it is true, okay, so it will going to give you the binary values. We'll going to see those things clearly about this. Okay, let's I taken a variables a is equal to 7, again b is equal to 4. So what I will going to write over here, so I will say, suppose the binary value, okay, nothing but the value, the expression value, I will say the expression value. Suppose example what I will going to do, so just very simple one. So a is greater than b, I will say. So for this we will going to get the answer, yes or not. For this we will going to get the answer. So for that we will going to print one message in the sense binary value 1 or 0, like that. 1 is nothing but true, if it is 0 that is false. Okay, so I will going to take the value of a. Again I will compare with the value of b. So what is the value of a, that is 7. Again what is the value of b? A is greater than b is true, absolutely true. A is greater than b, so put semicolon. So let's build it and run it now. You can see, you can able to, a is greater than b, so that is true. That is the reason why you are getting 1 here. So let me copy like this. I will want to copy this statement, control C. Just what I will do, I will going to paste over here. So again what I will going to do now, so I will going to make it very simple over here, very simple. So now I will going to make it greater than or equal to. I will check greater than or equal to for this. So a is greater, okay, a, at least one condition has to be satisfied. Suppose example a, we know the value of a is 7. 7 is greater than b, okay, the condition is satisfied here. So that's why it will going to give you the value, that is true value 1, like that. Okay, suppose if I take the value, a value is 3. 3 is not greater than 4, as well as it is not equal to 1, 4. So then it will going to give you the value false. Let's run this first. Build it and run it. You can able to see the value is 1, because at least the one condition is true here. So put semicolon and put next line over here, so that you can able to get the better. So now what I am going to do, so I will going to take, so that is greater than is over. Again what I will do, less than, I will going to make it this one, less than or equal. So what is the value of a is 7. 7 is less than or equal to b. 7 is greater than b, so that it will going to give you the value, that is false value. That is 0. Now build it and run it. So you will going to see that is 0. You people are getting, yes. So again I will going to copy this, again less than. Okay, now what I will going to do, so that is less than. Okay, so what is the value of a is 7. 7 is less than b. No, absolutely it's not true. So that's why you can able to see, so that is less than. Okay, so now you are going to get it. So here I will make it, what is that, Just a minute. Now we will going to see the values. See, you are getting the expression of value is a is less than b, that is 0. So this is what exactly you need to understand about these things. As per the values of variables, it will going to be checked. Okay, so that is less than. Again, if you want less than or equal to, so all these things we checked. Again, now what I will going to do, I will going to find the value of comparison. I will do. So when you mention two assignment operators, it will say that it will going to compare. Suppose a value is equal to 7, again b is value is equal to 4. Okay, what happens here? A value is what? 7, again b value is what? 4. 7 equal to 4? No, absolutely. So what you will going to get it? You will going to get the false value, that is 0. So that is what you need to understand. So see here. So for that, so if you don't understand these things, what I will going to do? So just I will want to mention the values over here. Suppose fine, not necessary. Just a moment. Here I will, so in place of A, I will going to mention 2. Again in place of B, I will going to mention 2. So 2 equal to 2, right? So this is value. This expression satisfies. Now we are going to get the value, that is 1. See here? Yeah, 1. Okay, done everybody? Understood? So very, very easy one. No need to. Again, here, so what I will going to do? So we have discussed about comparison as well. Again, one more thing we will going to discuss, not equal to. Okay. So suppose examples here. In this only I will going to do. Otherwise, if you want it, I will going to make like this. So here, uh, here we have done a equal to b. Okay. So I will going to mention not equal. So what is the value of a? 7 is not equal to b. That is absolutely true. So that's why it will going to give you the value 1. Let's see this one. So see here, 1 we are getting. Suppose uh, if I take the value like this, what I do, just I will copy this expression, this statement. I will place it over here. Now I will say that 2 is not equal to 2. Basically 2 equal to 2. But it is saying that 2 is not equal to 2. But it is, the condition is false here. But basically equal to 2, that is true. But 2 is not equal to 2, the condition is false. That's why you're going to get the value that is equal to 0. See here, you are getting the 0. So this is what exactly it will going to happen with the relational operators. Thank you.